Hello. What is the first rule of making money? Imagine an investment opportunity comes your way. All the returns look amazing. The charts are trending upward. This seems like it would excite anyone. Many people ask this question first: how much money can I make? However, experienced investors usually ask a different question. What could go wrong with this investment? It sounds simple, but this single question can change everything. They research the risks before investing. They check the condition of the asset they plan to invest in. They examine what the competition is and what other options are available. If it's a stock investment, they ask whether the company can survive during tough times. If it's a real estate investment, they consider what negative factors might arise in the long and short term. Because every investment has two sides: potential gain and potential risk. Many novice investors focus solely on the potential gain. Experienced investors, however, consider both. This isn't because they're pessimistic. It's because they understand something important. Losing 50% of your money hurts far more than gaining 50% feels good. That's why protecting your money is important. A great opportunity isn't just about how much you can gain. It's also about how much you could lose. Here's a simple tip that many successful investors follow. Before you ask how much you can earn, ask what could go wrong. Because smart investors look for risks before they look for returns. And sometimes, the best investment decision is the one you don't make. Subscribe to my channel to learn about ways and rules for making money and to evaluate investment opportunities. And feel free to ask any questions you have in the comments. I'll be sure to answer them. I'll provide my email address to my subscribers so they can send me direct messages to ask personal questions and receive feedback. See you in the next video.